Hello Pisces! So welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for May 4 to 7, no? So Pisces, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na nagsusupport sa channel. I truly appreciate you guys. Sa mga bago po, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. No? So, Pisces, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayo dong reading sa kabilang channel, no? Babaylan TV. Yun po kasi ang ating international channel. So, that's a totally different channel. Totally different reading, rather. Of course, channel na rin. Nagla-live din po ako doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. No, kung gusto niyo makita yung face behind the hands, nandun po yun. Pero kung hindi naman po kayo interesado, no, dun sa live sessions, that's okay. Pwede rin po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no po, no? Kasi sa live sessions, kapag nagtanong kayo, live action, makikita nyo nagsha-shuffle ng cards, binubunot yung cards, na-explain sa inyo. Wala naman pong, kumbaga, features ang comment section dito, no, na mag-post ng videos or sagutin siya ng video. So, ayun, kaya po, ano po tayo, yes or no lang. Ayan. So, let's start. Pisces. So, bakit meron na nakikipagbate, ayaw pang tanggapin? Pisces, so nakikita ko dito, parang tinitikis mo yung tao. Kumbaga, nangihingi na ng sorry, parang ikaw, hindi pa ako ready, no? Hindi pa sa ngayon. Well, hindi natin masisisi kasi Pisces is a very emotional being, no? So, kumbaga, pwedeng biro yun sa kanya, biro yun sa tao, pero kay Pisces, it's actually something that's cuts deep, no? Meron din ako ditong nakikita na parang gusto ko rin naman na magkaayos na tayo, pero gusto kong matutunan mo na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon at hindi sa lahat ng panahon, tayo'y nagbibiruan. Especially when it comes to romance or relationship. Relasyon to, baka kala mo lang to, no? Naiintindihan kita, Pisces. Kasi Pisces din ako. So, ayan, kumbaga, ang sayo is, wag muna ngayon, hindi muna ngayon. I need healing, no? Wag mo kong kausapin, wag mo muna kong, guluhin, no? I need my time. So don't get me wrong. Kung ako si Pisces, mahal kita, no? Pero hindi ko pa kayang harapin, no? Hindi pa kita kayang harapin. Hindi ko pa kaya yung part na as if walang nangyari, as if na okay tayo, as if nakalimutan na lang. Hindi, kasi sa akin, I need to process things na either napatawad na ba talaga kita? Ayoko kasi yung pinipilit, di ba? With the Four of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. So parang ngayon medyo iniisip mo ngayon na parang umatras muna sa kasunduan. Whether it is an agreement between makipag-live-in, mag-proposal, mag-marriage, no? Or ipagpatuloy pa muna, no? Again, may nararamdaman pa, actually mahal pa, pero Pisces is considering, is this something that I will really sign up for the longest period of time, or at least for a lifetime, no? So kasi, baka mamaya, maging paulit-ulit to, or paulit-ulit na, kailangan ko naman din isalba yung sarili ko from the pain, from the heartaches, diba? Sa sakit ng ulo. Now, when it comes to work naman, baka probably Hindi si Pisces, ayaw pa muna natin sumali-sali sa mga team building. Ayan, nakakita ko doon. Kung friendship ito, no, sa mga barkada mo, siguro umiiwas, hindi naman umiiwas, kasi pag sinabi mo umiiwas is walang ginagawa, wala namang gagawin, pero gumagawa ng dahilan. Sabihin natin na kaya mo nire-reject yung outing muna, no? Work muna ako, no? Kasi there's something here that I want to be very victorious of. So parang meron akong pinaghahandaan. It's either my future, no? My business, gusto kong mag-ipon, or meron akong gustong regaluhan, no? Doon sa either kaklase ko, a friend ko, no? So I need to sort of focus on something, and that's not my priority for now. Now, with the Queen of Swords, the Four of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles, so nakikita ko naman siya dito na actually meron ka na rin, kumbaga ayaw mong mag-talk, ayaw mo mag-post, ayaw mo yung mga bagay so far. Gusto mo private ka muna ngayon, no? Actually, ang ganda-ganda. Siguro this is because of what you've learned from the past, na oversharing ka tapos nauudlot naman, no? Ngayon, you wanted to become more private, patas gusto mong gulatin, no? Gulatin silang lahat. With the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Judgment, you sort of building an empire, building a dream, kind of also probably dito, gusto mo mag-ibang bansa, gusto mo mag-ibang bayan. When it comes to the relationship, no, parang I need to probably prioritize myself or prioritize my family, no, yung immediate family, than building my own family, no, or I need to prioritize dun sa mga couples na meron namang kids, no. I need to prioritize yung mga bata o yung bata, no, instead of okay na ako, no. Kung ang intention dito is hiwalayan, or ang decision is hiwalayan, kumbaga ang sayo is you're trying to focus and save things, no, para sa future ninyong magdananay, magtatatay, no, if in case this is a separation. Now, ang nakikita ko naman dito is hindi ka muna ganun ka-engaging when it comes to romance. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, napapatawad na kita, pero hindi ko pa nakakalimutan. Yun eh, no? The Hierophant, ayun na, napatawad, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Cups. So parang sa'yo, sorry ha, hindi kasi love ang priority ko ngayon. Ang priority ko is abundance, no? Either money, wealth, yung family relationship ko sa aking pamilya, immediate family, no? Hindi muna pang sarili. I'm going to be selfless. Ayan. With the Page of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles, alam mo kung ito talaga yung path mo or decision making mo. Sinasabi kasi ng cards is you're gonna be successful, Queen of Pentacles. You're holding this abundance in your hands, no? All you just need to do is to be brave enough and believe in the dream. Kung ano man itong plano mo, start right away, because you're going to hope what is in your dreams. So kumbaga, yes, kung priority mo muna ang sarili mo, that's good. I can see here a lot of abundance for now. And then siguro tsaka na lang natin balikan, no? Once meron na tayong narating, once meron na tayong binatbat, sinabi, once meron na tayong pinanghahawakan, no? Once na kaya na natin, para hindi tayo masyadong natatapakan. So, Pisces, this is your reading for now. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. no? What I am seeing here is Taurus, no? I'm seeing water placements, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also seeing Leo. I'm also seeing Sagittarius. Taurus is very dominant. So, yan ang iyong reading for now. Pisces, para po sa mga continuous ang support, no? Maraming salamat po. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Join po kayo sa ating live sessions or comment nyo po ang inyong katanungan as long as it's answerable by yes or no. Again, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.